Andrew here with the highly anticipated part 3 of Let's Make Art Tiles. This is day 2 for the new tile. Yesterday I used a pin tool to trace around the neoprene template, so the basic outline of the tile is already in the clay. Now I can use a straight edge and a knife to fully cut out the tile. Leftover clay goes in the pail for use at another time. Always need to do final touch-ups to the edges of the tile because the template shifts a bit in the slab roller. I use a wooden smoothing tool and sometimes a hook tool. I don't want the edge to be fully beveled, but a gentle and smooth corner looks the best and is safer for handling by the installers. Over a piece of drywall that has been air dried overnight, I transfer the tile to a fresh piece of craft paper. Smooth new piece of craft paper is best because wrinkled paper can transmit the creases to moist clay. I put a number tag over the stack so I can tell the next day how wet this batch of tiles is. That determines how fussy the handling needs to be, or if just any hungover person can do it. A very demanding task is the final spritzing of the clay before covering the pail with plastic, and these clay leftovers will be recycled another day. Here's a short segment about how the tiles are flipped each day. The whole idea is that gradual drying prevents warping. Craft paper and dry pieces of sheetrock are crucial, and of course we have a fully patented number tag system. Final segment is of the tiles at different stages of drying. The gray color becomes lighter and the tiles don't feel so cold. They are almost mature. The tiles in this state are called greenware, and when dry will go in the kiln for the bisque firing. That is the first firing for all of our tiles. Set your alarm clocks for the inspiring Part 4 to be released soon.